On Divergence, binary options come in two forms, asset or nothing or cash or nothing. We'll explore what you can do with these call options. First of all, let's see what happens when you fund an options pool with an asset token like wrapped Ethereum. You can use other asset tokens to create and trade options, of course. In this case, when you buy a spear from the pool, you pay a premium in wrapped Ethereum for an asset or nothing call. If the Ethereum price is above the strike price at expiration, you get paid 1 wrapped Ethereum, otherwise you lose your premium. On the other hand, when a pool of the same underlying is funded with a stablecoin like Tether, you are buying a cash or nothing call. At expiration, you will get paid 1 Tether if Ethereum settles above the strike. So an asset or nothing call is settled in the underlying asset. A cash or nothing call settles in cash. Now, let's see what happens when you buy an asset or nothing call and sell some cash or nothing calls of the same strike. The number of cash or nothing calls you sell would have to equal its strike price. So if both your call options expire in the money, you get Ethereum and pay out the strike price. This is the same as having a long position in a standard European call option. At expiration, a standard European call pays out the difference between the asset price and the strike price. This is how you can create a standard European call by buying an asset or nothing call and selling cash or nothing calls on Divergence. Sometimes the position you create can have a different price compared to other options markets. This can present arbitrage opportunities. Anyways, let's remind you that options trading involves risks. This is not financial advice. We hope to see you soon trading on Divergence. If you have any questions, you're welcome to come ask in our Discord or Telegram. We are happy to help.